Guys, in this part now, you should see we've completed, so far so good. We've completed training and our account has started earning. As you can see, we've done 5 minutes of footage. So we've done some works on the account. 5 minutes of footage. If you go to payments, you should see that we've earned $0.24. So we've done work for 5 minutes, 5 minutes works, and we've earned $0.24. Let's go back to the dashboard. So the next step we need to do now is set up payments. So I'm going to show you how to set up your payments. So the first thing you have to do now is to click on this set up payments. And then you need to configure your payments method. So you scroll down and then look at this button here, set up payment, click on it. Now there are two options. You can either use cryptocurrency, or you can use Wise, which is bank transfer. But cryptocurrency is very fast and you get your money in few hours. But if you're using bank transfer Wise, it takes between 2 to 5 days. And note, 2 to 5 business days, they don't pay on Saturday and Sundays. So if it's on Saturday and Sundays, it doesn't count. So I'll advise everyone to use cryptocurrency. Now there are two different formats to use. There's either USDC, which is United States dollar coin, or USDT, which is United States dollar Theta. They are the same thing. They're also pegged at the same rate with the United States dollar. So choose any one. It depends on your crypto wallet and the one you have available. So if you have, but make sure it is Ethereum wallet address. Or on that thing, you have to make sure it's Ethereum wallet address. So if you're using USDC, make sure it is Ethereum wallet address. If you're using USDT, make sure it's Ethereum wallet address. And make sure you specify the one you're using. If you're using USDC, click on USDC. If you're using USDT, click on USDT. So I'm going to get my crypto wallet address now from what I'm using is Bybit. I'm using Bybit. So I'm going to get my crypto wallet address from Bybit and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it here and then set it up. So I'm going to pause this video for a while and then give me some seconds. Let me get my crypto wallet address and then we'll continue. I'm back and I've copied my crypto wallet address. So click on payments method and then I want to use USDC because on my other account I've used USDT. So I don't know if you can use one crypto wallet address to collect, like one crypto wallet address to collect payments from different accounts. I don't know if it's against their terms of conditions. So I don't want to reach it. So I'm using a different wallet address. I'm using my USDC instead of USDT. Then now make sure you copied it as you copied it. Don't change anything. If you change anything, your money is lost forever because you cannot track it. It will go to another account or it will go to another wallet that is laying dormant. So copy your address, then click on it, and that's all. You saved up your payment information. You don't need to do anything special. You've saved up your payment information. Now let's go back to our dashboard and see what's remaining. So you can see on our dashboard now we've completed the training, we set up payments, and now the next thing is to continue doing tax. So you click on browse tax and there are 2 rooms. So now you see this one is available. You click on enter. That's one tax. For now, they are still adding tax. So sometimes you might see tax. Some days you might see up to 43,000 tax available. Some days you will see 0 tax available. So you should just be checking randomly and see if you can those tax. So as you can see right now, someone has already reserved that tax. It's not available for me again because I'm clicking this button and it's not working. So that's all you need to know about Atlas Capture. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me the questions in the comment section. If you find this video helpful and engaging, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, ask questions. You can also share this video with your friends who you feel might need this video to learn how to get their accounts set up. So that's all for now, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.